I've been getting so many questions about Hint's True Dimension Radiance Balm. The most common question I got was, what's the color? This is in color Clear. It looks like a little pinky, but gives that glowy look without depositing any color. Another question I got was, does it get cakey? And the answer is no. It's very moisturizing balm texture, but I do have to say that I never do matte makeup with a lot of powder product. With cream to cream type, I don't think you will have any issues, but then why are you using matte product if you're going for this glowy skin look? So whenever I want to give them more glowy look like this, I will put it here on my cheeks and then blend it out with my finger just a bit. This side, I did not put any balm, and this side, I put the Radiance Balm, which gives that nice glowy look. I like to put a little bit here as well. I always get so many compliments whenever I use this balm. I hope this helps.